You've probably walked past a millionaire today and didn't even know it. No flashy car, no Rolex, no Instagram flex. Just quiet, consistent habits that are building serious wealth. So how are they doing it? Let's break down the blueprint that's turning everyday workers into quiet millionaires. Most people think becoming rich means making more money, but these quiet millionaires, they focus on owning things that make money for them. They invest in assets, like index funds, rental properties, or even shares in the company they work for, instead of just relying on a paycheck. One employee earning $80,000 a year who consistently invests 20% of their income into the market can retire with over $1 million just by letting compound interest do the heavy lifting. It isn't flashy, but it is powerful. But here's the catch. They don't get there by chasing the hottest investments. These people don't rely on motivation or willpower. They rely on systems. Every payday, part of their salary automatically moves into investments before they can even touch it. It's simple, but powerful, because the money you never see is the easiest money to grow. And over years, that consistency beats the short bursts of excitement most people have when they start trying to save. But saving and investing consistently isn't enough. They also make one smart move most people never think about. Here's where most people lose the game. Every time they get a raise, they upgrade their car, their house, their clothes. Quiet millionaires don't. When their income grows, their investments grow, not their spending. They understand that looking rich delays becoming rich. By keeping expenses stable and increasing their investment rate, they turn small salary bumps into long-term wealth. But the real secret to staying on track isn't even about money. It's about how they think. Average employees who quietly build fortunes don't ask, "How can I make more money this month?" They ask, "What can I build over the next 10 years?" They understand that wealth compounds with time, not just money. That mindset shift helps them ignore short-term noise, market dips, job stress or inflation, and focus on long-term freedom. And when you combine that mindset with one last habit, it's what separates them from everyone else. At some point, these employees start realizing their career knowledge has value. They build side income through consulting, online courses, or small digital businesses, turning their 9-to-5 expertise into extra income streams. That extra money, it doesn't go to lifestyle upgrades. It goes back into their investments. Over time, the result is a snowball effect. Steady income, consistent investing, and compounding growth. That's how average employees quietly build million-dollar fortunes. Not overnight, but over time, with discipline, patience, and strategy. So next time you see an ordinary coworker who lives simply, doesn't flaunt anything, and always seems calm about money, there's a good chance they're not broke. They're just building wealth quietly. Knowing these habits alone won't make you rich. There are plenty of wealth lessons that need to be applied each day. Check out this video here to learn more about the financial lessons that will get you to your goals.